Omniwill India Foundation. Mother Nature. To be with Mother Nature means to have everything. To be effortless means to be with Mother Nature. Can Mother Nature do anything more to make us happy? No knowledge is greater than what Mother Nature teaches us. All our gratitude is due to Mother Nature. The best to worship is Mother Nature. Inquiry means to be in tune with Mother Nature. True spirituality means to devote to and learn from Mother Nature. Mother Nature exhorts us to join her in inquiry. Can we not see God in Mother Nature and each one of us? No scripture is perfect except Mother Nature. Mother Nature is God's own ever-alive painting. Omniwill India Foundation.